Except mo kong friends.
Oh, of course. Everybody, not well.
Ayan, at si ating iyong ka-duet kanina. Napakagaling ko.
Thank you so much. Thank you for the jam.
Yeah. Thank you very much, of course, Mr. Tom Zara. Not only talented gentleman, but very warm and accommodating man. Ayan. Thank you very much. And we hope to catch on you again. Definitely. God bless you. And more power. Okay, so ngayon po, we are going to arrive on the next part at napaka-exciting na moment for everyone. Wherein, of course, there will be an announcement. At ito pong announcement na to, wala pong ibang babagay na mag-announce ng ating Star of the Night Award, kundi po ang napakaganda pong couple natin. Let's all give a round of applause for Mr. Ben Dulco and Sir, together po with our beautiful, the most beautiful angelic face, our Madam Dean. Yes, and of course, mga ladies, get ready for a smile kasi they're going to announce the Star of the Night. Sino kaya yun, senyor? Sino kaya?
Hoy! Sino kayo? Hey! Ayos ba? Lanting ko lang yan. Yan! Hey! Hoy! Ayan! Sino kayo? Hey! Parang team 3 ah. Oo, sige. Lahat dito. Yung walang panalo ha. Pag wala, pag hindi kayo umabot dyan, hindi kayo kasama. Forfeited. Nasaan si Tonyo? Tumakas yung dalawang ano dito si Tonyo. Wala ba? Tonyo! Sino yun dyan? Hoy! Hey! Hey! Lahat kayo rito. Sino pa naman nandun sa dulo? Talagang pinapantay yung pagkain.
Lalapitan ko po, senyor. Ayan, pasok po tayo.